Hey everybody, welcome back to the barn and welcome to the project barn where we're rebuilding walls and workbenches and everything else. In the last episode you'd have seen me remove everything from this corner, but in today's episode you're going to see this. Nice new walls, look at that. New workbenches all the way down. More good progress. So yes, welcome back everybody. I am down in my barn this time and look at the state of it all behind me because we are in the process of rebuilding loads of stuff. Everything is just sort of piled in here at the moment, yet to be organised because I'm making things, I'm rebuilding things, I'm repairing things. And it's long overdue on my barn, I must say. I've been in this barn for about 7 or 8 years. And apart from building that front wall, this one, and the doors and everything, I've not really done anything else to it. It's kind of been left as it was. So it's about time we started doing some stuff. So we'd like to see some progress from what I got up to last time. Shall we have a look? Let me turn the camera around. So you'd have seen me take all that mezzanine level down and just pile everything over here out the way of the barn. My barn's about 10 metres by 10 metres, so it's a really good space. But this is everything that I took down, and yeah, you can see it's all needs to be organised. And so what I've done is I've made up some new workbenches. So if I take you over here. So yeah, I've just been making some stuff up, covered in stuff from me building, but that's the racking that come out of our Volkswagen Crafter van, which is that project at the back. So I've utilised that to put a bit of new worktop on it. This is my bench that I've always had, just moved it from underneath the window. And then I've got new benches here that are all metal framed, or new to me, second hand obviously. And they've at the moment just got all stuff on it while I get everything organised. So this is my dusty but beautiful Jaguar XKR, which is off of its axle stands, on its skids, so I can move it around. And the biggest change in the workshop is had this cement board wall on this side, goes all the way along, and I've already removed it all from this side and put all new timber boards and fitted them all up from the outside. So we can go outside and show you from there. There we go. What a difference. Looks super cool and gets rid of all the old horrible stuff. As well as that, we've been doing some roof repairs because I've had a crack or a couple of cracks in my roof. So you can see up there all the bitumen that's come through. We've been sealing up cracks that have been here dripping away on my Jaguar for years. There we are. Hopefully that's going to keep the weather out for some time to come. So my mission today is just to carry on. So take all these old boards down, build up a new timber frame, or repair a little bit of guttering up there. And that should be this side of the wall done and dusted. I do want to paint all these walls up, and I've got some racking and stuff that I want to put up and bury all my tools up there. All my tools, organise all my tools up there. So lots to do. So without further ado, I'll set the camera up. I'm just going to start working. And if you want to, you can just sit there with a cup of tea and watch me do all the hard work. Probably sped up, otherwise you'll be here for hours watching because it takes a long time to do. So I'm going to do that. I'll see you very soon. Most importantly, pencil behind the ear. That's rotten, isn't it? That is proper hammered. My gosh. My darling, come up here, please. We put that up. We want all these little nails facing inwards. Okay. I've got my one here. I've then got this. Got it? Yeah. All right, to you, to me. Right, something around there. Then I've got this. Just need to knock the bottom one in underneath that a bit, please.
Where's the hammer?
Actually, don't worry. Just put you upright in, mate. The lump hammer should be there on the bench next to you. No, go on. Right, stop there, I'll finish it off. Thank you. Now, I need to avoid all that, so I put this one here. Yes, you've done that, darling, thanks.
What, do you need any more up there?
No, you're right, thanks.
Oh, it's leaning out there.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, are you meant to?
No.
I wonder if because the wall goes up there. along a bit as well.
Yeah, I might need to take a little bit off. Right, do you want to go out and pause the video for us there, please, honey? Right, so I'm going to spend some time now fettling around with this, getting it all to line up properly, and then we'll see about putting some planks up all the way along the outside. See you in a minute. All right, so that's our bit of framework all up and in. So the only thing is, you'll probably notice, you can't probably see, but it sits down about 15 mil lower, this wall, maybe 20 mil actually, than the other wall, maybe even an inch. So we need to stagger these timbers, but we'll see how we go. And when I've been putting these on, I just use one of them as a spacer. And yeah, it just goes on with my nail gun. Pretty simple. We'll line the first one up with the steel. We'll bring it down to around about the same height as the timber. This is about there. Like so. Okay. Thank you.
Looks so good for a minute.
Say again?
Looks really good for a minute.
Does it?
Yeah.
I'm pleased.
I need to go in at the top.
Say again?
Looks like it's come out.
That's as long as it is.
Oh, is it?
Are those the loose ones, are they?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're the short ones.
Oh, okay.
Hang on. That's okay, I'll use that one as the pattern for a minute. Swap it for that slightly longer one.
Awesome.
There we have it. What do you think?
Are you talking to me or the camera?
Camera. My son, am I talking to her or the camera? I'm talking to you guys. So there we go. So I need to make a new piece of frame here, but it's currently 7:45 at night. Time is against me. So I'm just going to pop a couple of screws back in, a couple of the sheets I've taken down, and come back and finish off that bit of framework. But yeah, I hope you agree. It looks loads better than it did before. What do you think? Ooh. Looks cool, doesn't it? Obviously, I need to fix a bit of guttering, but we'll get on to that. But compared to how it was before, let's take you along. We're losing the sun, but that looks pretty cool, doesn't it? I like that. And what should we go and have a look from the inside? There we have it. It looks good, doesn't it? Yeah. All the way along down there. I say because this one's typically we measured off of this wall, not realising that one's slightly shorter, so we might have to put a piece going this way across, almost like a stretcher bearer, so it carries it up underneath the end of the roof. But you know, with the gutters there, it's not really a big deal, to be honest. But there we go. Looks super good. I'm super pleased with that. Most of that's going to be fast forwarded for you, so it probably won't end up being a very long video. But I hope you like the progress. And I'll show you some more again when I've done some more. I'll probably do some more in the background, and then we might come down and do a final video just to see how it looks when it's all done and painted and tidy. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Anyway, that's it from me. Hit subscribe, like, share, send us a comment. Like I say, I'll reply to every comment, and I'll see you next time around on Projects in the Barn. Bye guys, bye.